Oh no, you say. Not another YouTuber trying to make their lives look unreasonably awesome. But hold that thought, for we, dear viewer, aren't about that. We will, however, be introducing you to Commodore Kim Taylor and his wonderful boat, Ananda, on Twofold Bay.
Welcome back to All the Stars Sailing Adventures.
Join us, Rachel and Jess, on our Cavalier 37, All the Stars, as we live and learn about life on the water. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. What are we going to do today, Rach?
We're going sailing with Kimbo.
Kimbo, who is a long-time family friend and a bit of a legend in the sailing fraternity. He's a pro skipper for racing boats and things like that, but I also learnt to sail in the same sailing club that Kim was a member of, the mighty Dry River Dinghy Sailing Club.
And his wife Lenore taught me how to ride horses.
Yes, so Rach has a connection with them massively. And we're going to go down and meet Kim at his boat in Eden, and we're not sure whether you're going to join us because the conditions might be a little bit strong, but they might be all right. Kim just sent a message, said it was really good. So first sail in about 3 months, 2.5 months. I'm excited. You. She came sailing.
Yes, I don't mind a bit bay sailing, darling.
Bay sailing.
I don't mind a bit bay sailing.
If you want to come sailing another time, we could go over there and camp over there.
That would be so
have the
cool.
luxury bed in the middle.
Oh my gosh.
I will sleep in the quartermaster.
That'd be amazing.
And we can sail. No, I didn't meet Lenore till I was like 35 or something.
Oh, right.
I have a steel bar against my stomach, so I can't.
Yeah.
So I can't
That's the
fall.
thing that you were telling us at your commission.
See this rope I'm pulling here?
Yep.
That goes forward through a little block on the deck. See how the sail's right up high off the deck?
Yeah, it's like a downhaul thing.
Yeah, it's a downhaul or uphaul.
Yep. Yep.
I like it because you can, and it's also good for, you can change your sheeting position
Yep.
without moving the track on the deck.
That's right. Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Changes the
Just
clue.
lift the sail up a bit more and it'll pull the head in more.
Yeah.
So it does a couple of things, and I find it to be very useful.
Yeah. Okay, let me put my face up. Okay.
Well, at least the camera won't cringe when
The lens break!
it might melt.
So you built Ananda when you were 19,
Yeah.
and then, because I only know you, Kim and Lenore, I don't know Kim.
Yeah, because I had 35 years before.
Yeah, exactly.
I mainly sailed from Pittwater because I was working on Pittwater.
Yeah, and that's where you built.
Did the hull and deck, put the lead in the keel up at Maitland. We were building them up there, the moulds, the factory.
At Maitland?
Yeah,
Huh.
Gosford. You know?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Once I put the hull and deck, built the hull and deck, put them together, put the lead in the keel and everything, then I threw it on a truck and brought it to Newport,
Oh, right, yes.
where I worked at the boat shed.
Yep,
Dumped it in the water there, just alongside the wharf.
yep.
And yeah, I just worked
And build it from the
at the
water
boat
up.
shed, and then when I'd knock off at night, like at 5, I worked on the boat for a couple of hours, go home, have dinner, come back down after dinner and work till about midnight every night.
Wow.
Yeah, when I finished it, I said, that's it, righto. I'd already been doing delivery. I was doing jobs bringing boats from Cairns down to Sydney or
Yeah.
Melbourne or anything from when I was 14 or something.
So, was your old man a sailor?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Well, he ran the boat shed.
Oh, right, okay.
But before that, he was an engineer down in Melbourne. I'm originally Mexican,
Really?
from Melbourne, yeah.
Huh.
Oh, I'll make that back forward. Let's see how I can let the air out of them.
Yeah.
And that's not a lot, but
I feel like every time Kimbo either arrives or leaves, he needs some kind of like or other kind of music. Yay!
See you, mate.
Bye, Kimbo.
That was fun sailing with Kimbo.
Yeah, it's so good. We've known Kim and Lenore. Well, I've known Kim and Lenore for so long. Lenore taught me how to ride horses, but I've never been sailing with Kimbo.
He has a lot of sailing experience, doesn't he?
Oh yeah, well he built Ananda when he was 19.
Yep.
I have no idea how old he is now.
Yeah, he's
Older.
Yeah.
Older than 19.
so it was a real pleasure to be taken out on Twofold Bay, and we had a really nice day for sailing, really. And Kim had been wanting to show us the rig, the Cruising Twins rig set up for quite a while, since we actually left Bermagui last year. So he took us out and showed us how to fly those two sails and pull them down.
It was really interesting and makes a lot of sense, you know. Instead of sailing with the main and the Genoa up, downwind, you stick the Cruising Twins up and you can allow them to go forwards, whereas you can't allow the mainsail to go forwards to spill the air out. So yeah, that was really great to see.
He also said that the twin sails either side of the mast helped to steady the motion of the boat as you're sailing downwind. It didn't want to yaw from left to right like it traditionally does with a mainsail and a poled out Genoa. And it was probably our first sail again since we'd left the boat.
Yeah.
Since you left in early November.
Yep. Ananda is such a beautiful little boat. Like, I just loved it. What was 34 foot or something?
No, 30 footer.
30
Yeah.
footer. So much room below.
Yeah. We really enjoyed that, and big thanks to Kimbo for taking us out for the day. So we're heading off tomorrow to make a trip up the coast, where I'll be rejoining the boat to start preparing her for this sailing season upcoming. And you'll be joining me a bit later. Yay. We do hope you've enjoyed this episode, and if you have, please give it a like and subscribe. And join us next week as I'll be taking you to the remote, secluded Carbathon Lodge in Far East Gippsland, where I'll be helping a friend install a new window I built before heading back to the boat in Queensland in preparation for the next season.
shit.